Ear and Hearing Australia are exceptional. They're professional to the highest standard. Dr. Mo is obviously very passionate about his work, and it just shows right through. Everybody is so welcoming and make you feel comfortable straight away. It's amazing. I love my hearing aids. I was quite reluctant at first because I had had a previous bad experience, but this time they have changed my life completely. I'm more outgoing. I'm far more comfortable in social situations. I can now hear my grandchildren when they speak softly. I can hear every word they say. It's amazing the difference it has made. In social situations, in restaurants, I can now focus on conversations with the people around me. Sure, I can hear background noise, but yeah, it's far better than it used to be before. I advise people who suspect that they may have a hearing loss to get professional advice as soon as possible, because the longer you leave it, the worse your hearing is going to get, and well, the better the outcome, the sooner you seek advice.